What's up guys, it's Anthony or Solo Assassin, and in today's video we're going to be modifying my factory rear bumper just a little bit in preparation to maybe get some tabs on it to be able to have a recovery point, as well as just make some more clearance to get to the rear tires. And it's free, so we're going to go ahead and try and do that. My dog's hanging out with me again. So let's go ahead and show you guys what I'm about to do. Hopefully it turns out okay. If not, whatever. I guess we'll just buy a cheap bumper or something. I don't know. But let's try this out. So this is what I'm gonna do. I feel like just this solid line all the way down. And I'm gonna cut the bottom flat. That way I can keep most of my light protection, but open up all this space to get to the tire. Because I'm probably going to end up just cutting this up here and just plate the bottom of it. Yeah, that's the plan. I've got my marks, so I'm going to tape the top up, and I've got that on both sides, as you can see there. So we're going to go ahead and tape them up and get to cutting. So I'll let you guys see that when I'm done. Alright, there you guys have it. Got it taped up where I want to cut. So we're gonna see what this looks like. Hopefully it looks okay. We'll find out. There's people walking up and down the alley. Alright, so this is what we got. I'm gonna take the flap wheel and finish just cleaning those edges up, get a little bit closer, and then we'll untape it, and then we'll have a before and after. So let's go ahead and get on to that. Alright, there you have it. It's pretty much the finished product. I want to pull my bumper off and paint it, but I think that looks pretty good compared to this side where it's just this big parachute like thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this side. Hopefully this side will go a little bit better now that I kind of I have an idea what I'm doing. Still though, this only took like 10 minutes, so not that bad. So, you know, I'll take it, no complaints. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing done up. I like it. I think it looks a lot better. Clears up a nice bit of space compared to this side. So, yeah. Alright, there you guys have it. It's the final product. Now I just need to grind it all down and paint it, make it look nice. I have a receiver hitch that I might try and cut out, put in here, brace it, and buy some frame tie-in brackets to run into the frame. That way it pulls nice and flat right there. But there you guys have it. Not the cleanest cuts, but you know, it works. This is what we cut off. So not too bad, I don't think. But yeah, there you guys have it. Yeah, I like it. Can't complain about it. So, but if you guys are new, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be greatly appreciated. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Trying to get 2 more 31, 10, 50, 15 Milestar Patagonias to put on this. That way I don't look dumb with stock tires. And then hopefully we can get a welder soon, and it's starting to warm up, so we'll be able to finish, you know, making it a little bit nicer. We got some rust to fix, some cracks to fix and things like that. But yeah, if you guys are new, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you later.